My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and my name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and
Hello guys, I'm back again with another video. So today I'm going to reassemble my ASUS R558UR. So as you can see, I have already unscrewed all the screws of the back panel of my laptop. So that's the first thing you need to do. So sorry for the shaky video. It was difficult to record with one hand and access the motherboard and all those things with another. So there are, I think, 11 or 12 screws, and we need to remove all the screws. There are 4 are big screws, and yeah, you need to remove the where the big screws are inserted and small screws are inserted. So we need to remove the RAM cover also, because inside the RAM cover one screw is present, which is essential to remove the complete back panel. And it is suggested to remove your external RAM also, which you have fitted. Now we need to use a thin tip tool like this one to pop up the back panel, as this back panel is fitted, uh, is press fitted, and there is one screw hidden behind the rubber padding. So you need to remove that rubber padding to access that screw and unscrew the screw. So that's the last screw, I think, and we have successfully removed our back panel. So the CD-ROM cover is just press fitted, it is easily removable, it's not a big deal. So that's the CD-ROM. Okay, so let's check the parts of a laptop. That's the heat sink of a laptop. So you can clean a fan from that portion. That's the thermals. I think that's GPUs and CPUs. That's the RAM mounted on a motherboard. Now this is a non-removable battery. This is a Li polymer Li ion 5000 mAh battery. Li polymer it is actually. So you can see the specs. Now this is our HDD, which is located right beneath the CD-ROM. So you need to remove the two screws from there, and instead of removing that or unplugging that portion, you need to remove that complete part of a laptop where the headphone jack and USB point is there. So for removing it, it is a tricky part, but it is simple. You need to actually just push from outside and then get a click from an inside portion. I'll just show you. Okay, so that's how you get that portion out. And you need to remember that you need to push that part in that slot again, so that the part doesn't move while we are putting our HDD back again. So this is what our HDD looks like. So for removing your HDD, you need to just slide it out. Like, it is actually fitted just like a pen drives and USB thumb drives. So that's easy. You need to just plug it out. So here we have it, our HDD. So this is a 1 terabyte HDD, which is running at 5000 RPM, and it is a Seagate HDD. So you can see all the specifications of the HDD. Now to remove the HDD completely, you need to remove it from that HDD slot. So you need to remove those 4 screws, and you can replace them with another HDD. So this is one Seagate HDD which I have from another laptop, that is Toshiba laptop. So this is a 500 GB HDD of 5400 RPM. So as you can see, they're identical. You can buy HDD or SSDs from Amazon. I think I'll give the link in the description where you can buy HDDs. Just search for internal laptop HDDs and you'll get a list. So for fitting again the HDD, you need to just press fit it. just like a thumb, guys, and press screw all those two screws. The next thing you need to do is put that panel back again on HDD. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.